Cheeky, share vlog na. Hey everyone, I just wanna create this vlog for keeps because it's my younger sister's 18th birthday and we're gonna have a simple celebration together with my family. We're just gonna have early dinner today, just keeping it simple because you know we don't have the budget to create a grand celebration. We don't really like do big celebration on our 18th birthday, so yeah. And this is my fit. Sorry for the mess. I am preparing for my trip next week to Boracay and I'm so excited. So here is my fit. This is the second time that I have worn it, so yeah. I'm gonna get back to you later when I'm already in the city, so bye. Let's go. I'm vlogging. For my account only. Sangyup sa app. It's so expensive. Like we have to pay 568 per pack just for us to have like only sangyup. Happy birthday! I'm vlogging today because it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Eliza! It's her 18th birthday. So we're here at Shakey's. We're supposed to go at Sangyup sa app, but then we don't have the budget. So here we are, Shakey's. Nya ako ang taga-vlog pero kamo ang nasa kuan. Happy birthday. Nakamu mangduhan na diha. As you can see, our plates are almost empty. But we still have two like slices of pizza left. So we're done eating. Busog ma. Free pizza since birthday ni Lalay. Basta ka. Busog. It's time to go home. Since we're done here. Na. I love pork cans, but the price doesn't want me. It's so expensive. Hello, lantaw lang. Oh, mali. Hey guys, this is Trisha getting her serving of Yao Yao. She's just paying and now she's kinda shy
counting her coins. And mom says she's full, but she's waiting for her yaoyao serving. Agwana, get your yaoyao naman.
So that's the end of our vlog. We're done here. We're going home. Bye guys.